Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Sprayer Wand is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any homeowner or professional who deals with gardening, cleaning, or pest control, offering a significant upgrade in reach, precision, and overall efficiency compared to standard spray bottles or integrated sprayer heads. This accessory can transform your existing sprayer into a more powerful and user-friendly device, allowing you to tackle larger areas with less effort and greater accuracy, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit for a wide range of applications. Number 5. Solo 4900170 and 28-inch Universal Sprayer Wand. This sprayer wand is designed to fit most backpack and handheld sprayers with a 1/4-inch hose. It offers a versatile upgrade for your existing spraying equipment. Get extended access to those hard-to-reach areas with its 28-inch length. It makes spraying tall plants and wide gardens much easier. Built from high-quality, chemical-resistant materials, this wand is made for lasting performance. You can rely on its durability even with frequent use. The ergonomic shut-off valve features a lock-on option for comfortable operation. This reduces hand fatigue during longer spraying tasks. Attaching this wand is simple and quick. Enhance your sprayer's functionality in just minutes without needing any special tools. What we like. This wand offers universal compatibility, making it a great choice for many existing sprayers. Its extra reach is perfect for tackling tall plants or wide areas. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable upgrade for your current sprayer, this is a solid option. What people say. The wand is a perfect fit for the sprayer. It's made of durable material and feels sturdy. The spray pattern is consistent and covers a wide area. Number 4. Saillong 29 Adjustable Stainless Steel Sprayer Wand. Introducing our premium sprayer wand, crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a comfortable rubber handle. It's built for durability and designed for your convenience. Easily adjust the spray pattern by simply rotating the nozzle. Switch between a fine mist for delicate plants or a powerful stream for tougher jobs. Connecting to your existing hose is a breeze. The brass barb ensures a secure fit with most 3/8-foot hoses, offering reliable performance without rust. The ergonomic handle features a lockable switch, allowing for comfortable, continuous spraying without hand fatigue. Simply lock it in place and go. This versatile sprayer is perfect for all your gardening and agricultural needs. We're here to help if you have any questions or need assistance. What we like. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this wand is built to last. The adjustable nozzle allows you to easily switch between mist and a straight stream. If you need a wand that can handle various spraying needs and offers a comfortable, lockable grip for extended use, consider this one. What people say. The wand is a perfect fit and works great with my sprayer. It's a good quality replacement wand that feels sturdy and durable. The spray pattern is consistent and covers a wide area, making my gardening tasks much easier. Number 3. Roundup 181795 Professional Wand and Shut-Off Replacement Kit. Easily upgrade your existing sprayer with this professional wand and shut-off replacement kit. It's designed for durability and convenience. Experience a premium, lockable shut-off valve featuring brass components for long-lasting performance. An inline filter is also included for cleaner spraying. This kit is designed to fit most backpack or sprayers that use a 9/16-inch hose. Please note that the hose itself is not included. It's compatible with popular brands like Roundup, Field King, and Smith sprayers, as long as they have a 9/16-inch hose connection. Achieve the perfect spray pattern with the included poly-adjustable nozzle. You can easily switch from a solid stream to a fine mist. For even more versatility, this wand also accepts T-jet nozzles, allowing you to customize your spraying experience further. What we like. This kit features a premium, lockable shut-off valve with brass components for enhanced durability. It's designed for sprayers with a 9/16-inch hose. If you have a sprayer that uses this specific hose size and are looking for a high-quality replacement with added filtration, this is the one to get. What people say. The wand is a perfect fit for my sprayer. It sprays evenly and covers a wide area. The adjustable nozzle allows for different spray patterns. Number 2. Solo 4900647P Stainless Steel Sprayer Wand. Introducing the 29-inch Universal Stainless Steel Sprayer Wand. It's designed to help you reach those difficult spots with ease. Achieve consistent application with the stainless steel flat fan nozzle. It ensures uniform coverage across your entire spray pattern. This assembly includes a durable stainless steel filter screen and hose clamp. It's built for longevity and reliable performance. Experience precise control with the commercial shut-off valve. Its lock-on and lock-off features provide convenience and safety. Connect it to most backpack and tank sprayer hoses effortlessly. The combination of hose barb sizes ensures a secure fit. Replacing your old shut-off valve is simple. Just cut, slide, push, and tighten for a secure connection. Trust in genuine Solo replacement parts for your sprayer. It's also T-Jet compatible for added versatility. What we like. This wand combines a stainless steel assembly with a commercial-grade shut-off valve for excellent performance. It's also T-Jet compatible, offering flexibility with nozzle choices. If you value durability, compatibility with professional nozzle systems, and a robust shut-off valve, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The wand is a perfect fit for my sprayer. It sprays evenly and covers a wide area. The adjustable nozzle allows for different spray patterns. Number 1. 29 inches Stainless Steel Sprayer Wand. Tired of flimsy plastic sprayers? Our wand is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, making it incredibly strong, drop-resistant, and built to last. Say goodbye to replacements due to breakage. This replacement wand is designed for versatility. With included brass barbs in both 3/8 and 1/4-inch sizes, it seamlessly fits most garden hoses, ensuring a perfect connection every time. Easily switch between a fine mist for delicate watering and a powerful stream for targeted cleaning. Simply rotate the nozzle to adjust the spray pattern to suit your needs. Watering or cleaning for extended periods can be tiring. Our wand features a lockable handle, allowing you to maintain a continuous spray without constant squeezing, freeing up your hands and reducing fatigue. We stand by our product. This universal sprayer wand comes with 365 days of after-sales support. If you have any questions or issues, contact us for a prompt response within 24 hours. What we like. Built primarily from strong, drop-resistant stainless steel, this wand is designed for longevity. It conveniently fits both 3/8 and 1/4 hoses. If you need a durable, universally compatible wand and appreciate the peace of mind that comes with extended after-sales support, this option is highly recommended. What people say. The wand is a perfect fit and works great with my sprayer. It is made of durable material and feels sturdy. The spray pattern is consistent and covers a wide area. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.